going on, guys? It's Vortex Runner the Beast here, and yes, I am vlogging, and my mom is making her first ever YouTube video on her channel. It's of course cooking, and so yeah, I'm just gonna wander around the house, talk about some things. Well, hold on. Oh my God. Shh, guys.
In about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to add the tomatoes, and on top, I'm going to stir it in. I'm going to add it on top to let it just sit, and it creates moisture, flavor. And after that, I'm going to add a small amount of tomato sauce, and then when the potatoes are finished cooking, or somewhat cooked, not all the way cooked, because if you cook it too long and it becomes soft, then when you add it to your dish, it will disintegrate and be like mashed potatoes. So you're going to want to make sure that the potato is still hard before you add it to the chicken, because you're going to cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes with the chicken, so you can, get some flavor with it. But all right, we'll let it cook for about 10 minutes. On low heat, stir occasionally. Make sure that you add water so it doesn't burn. All right.
If you guys didn't see that, I'm sorry. But yes, my dog is going crazy, guys. I'm not gonna show my mom. You can go check out her channel, see her. But yeah, tell your moms. Just go click on YouTube. Hurry up and go to her channel. It's Mama Beast Cooking. Not channel at the end. We just didn't add channel, so it's just Mama Beast Cooking. So yeah, excuse me. Yeah, guys, let's keep on vlogging. Oh, wait, hold on. Well, let's go back to my room. This is where I make all my gaming videos. And if you guys want to see how I make my videos, just, I'm not going to show you completely. It's just, so there's my PS4 right there. I'll explain about this, it's not a hard drive, but I'll explain about this later. Here's my controllers. It's a white PS4 controller. Yeah, and then I also have a my room is messy. A black PS4 controller. I didn't buy the black one. It came for free. I bought the white one. But now I'm gonna explain why I have this chip. So it's not a hard drive, like I explained. If I go over here in my rolling chair, you can see. I just unplug this. It's its charger. Hold on, guys. All right, so it is a mic, and so this is what I use to record. It comes with the wire if you want a wire, but it's really like you could just have it on, and you could hear everything. You don't have a wire, and these are great because it was from their anniversary, their 20th anniversary, so that's why it's not blue. And yeah, that's why I have the chips. On my PS4, I could just record videos, and yeah, that's all I use. It's pretty easy, guys. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna end it here. I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.